this is ISI 2017 sample paper PEA. Question number 12. Bag consists of 2 red, 3 green, 2 blue. Red, green, blue. 2, 3, 2. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. Then the probability that none of the ball drawn is blue. None of them is blue. It can be red or green. All cases. 5C2 by 7C2. 5C2. 5 into 4 by 7 into 6. Okay. by 21. Answer is A.
If you like this video, please visit us at our website edusure.in. You can contact us here, and to see more about our courses, you can see under the drop down here. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.